Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is static keyword in Java. So let us discuss first what we are going to cover in our today's video topic. So first of all we will see what is static keyword, then we will see where it is used, then we will see what is static method, what is static variable, and after that we will see why static keyword is used in main method. So let us start with what is static keyword in Java. So basically static keyword is used for memory allocation. When we use static keyword when we use static keyword, then the then the code is stored in the heap memory. then the uh, then the code is stored in heap memory, and when we use the static keyword, the JVM code can load the code to the memory. When we use static keyword, at that time we do not need to create the object of the variables or methods. We can directly access to the to the variables or codes. So uh, let us move on to what is static variable in Java. So static variable are the variable which belongs to the class and not to the object. Static variable are initialized only once and stays of execution. Static variables can be used to defer to the static variables can be used to the common property of all the object. Then the static method in Java. Static method can static method can only access the static data. Static method is belongs to the class. It is also belongs to the class, not to the object. Static method can access directly by the class name and doesn't need any object. So these are the static variables and static methods. The common factor between the static method and static variable are they both belongs to the class. They both belongs to the class and can be accessed directly without creating the object. Then the uh, then the main point is static keyword is used in main method. So why static keyword is used in main method? So basically static keyword is present because because compiler can call it without creation of object or before creation of object. Compiler can call it before c- creating the object and after or before creating the object. Then when the static is present, the JVM can load the code. The JVM can load the code into the memory and can call the main method. It can call the main method. JVM can call the main method. If static is not present, then the JVM can sorry the JVM can't load the class. So because of that, if the class is not loaded or the memory is not allocated to the class, then it is impossible to execute our code. So this is why it is necessary to allocate the memory, and to allocate the memory to our code, it is necessary to use static keyword. So this is the use of static keyword in Java. This is all about static keyword in Java. Thank you.